off in the critical eye. And there goes Perfect Freud to grab the early lead with Jules and Rome alongside. These two out to the front together. Sharifa right behind them. Bar of Gold, K-Zone on the far outside. And in between horses, Have You Gone Away? A 5-length gap back to Carry Me Away as they head up the backstretch. And then Storied Lady Literata is last. And the quarter was 22-1. It is Perfect Freud and John Velasquez on top by a length and a half up the backstretch from Jules and Rome. Bar of Gold is third on the inside. Have You Gone Away, K-Zone, and Sharifa all right together as they make their way for the far turn. A 7-length gap now back to Carry Me Away, and those two trailers, Storied Lady and Literata, far out of the race at this point. The half mile was a blazing 44 4/5 seconds for Perfect Freud. Jules and Rome getting a bit closer now, just a neck back in second. On the rail, Bar of Gold waiting for running room in third. Inside of Have You Gone Away, who will keep her pinned in for now, but there's running room. There's running room here for Bar of Gold. And Junior Alvarado says, let's go. And they take the lead at the top of the stretch. And Have You Gone Away swings up on the outside of her. And now these two are 1-2 as they turn for home. Bar of Gold holding on to the lead. Have You Gone Away is a length and a half behind. In the meanwhile, Literata, who was so far behind, has taken third along the rail. It is Bar of Gold in front with a 16th to go. Have You Gone Away? Then Literata and K-Zone coming down to the line. Bar of Gold takes the critical eye. Then it was Have You Gone Away, followed by Literata and K-Zone.